Hi, my name is Patrick and I'm the co-founder of LenaPro. On today's LP Minute, I'm going to talk about the importance of reading termination clauses before ending a sales contract early. Almost all contracts say how long they last, but only some of them let a party back out early. If a party doesn't end it in the right way, then it might find itself facing a claim for breach of contract. For example, let's say there's a contract for the sale of thousands of high-quality lemon meringue pies. It lasts for 3 years and doesn't say anything about terminating early. In year 2, the pie buyer figures out she can make more money selling pecan pies to her own customers. It turns out her huge customer base in Alaska loves pecan pies. And that's because pecans are amazing, and Alaskans are not easily fooled. Without reading the paperwork, the buyer sends a note terminating her contract with the lemon meringue pie seller. But that wasn't well thought out. The buyer is now facing a claim from an angry pie seller. Lawyers are involved, and their commercial relationship may never be the same. The key takeaways are that the buyer should have read the contract first, and shouldn't have assumed that she could terminate for convenience when the contract was silent on that point. This has been your LP Minute, which has hopefully been helpful but is not legal advice. Watch a few more, hit the like button, and download more software. Thanks.